Hi, I'm Liron.
And I'm Gal.
Let us know if this situation is familiar for you. Can you take off the phone?
Just a moment.
You always say that. Do you mind to take down your phone?
I'm just finishing doing an email and I'll be right with you.
Yeah, you
What's the
always
problem?
just finishing the emails. Just turn it off.
Okay. So if this sounds familiar to you, it's because all couples go through this.
Yes.
All couples have communication issues, right? And it's actually the number one problem couples have. And many couples even break up because of it.
Right. So let's look at what happened here. Okay. What I did is I asked him to take down his phone. And the way I did it was in a place that probably won't invite him to take down the phone and blame him for him using the phone. What I needed actually is to connect with him, to be with him, to spend time with him, to feel him, to smell him, to be close to him.
So while it looked like the problem is the phone, right? And so many couples get stuck in talking about the thing itself, right? Who does the dishes? How do you take out the kids, right? Where do you go on vacation? It's actually about the emotion underneath the surface. Mm-hmm. So what Liron was really looking for here is connection. Mm-hmm. So it's not about the phone, it's about the feeling of connection.
Right. And what Gal looked here, and correct me if I'm wrong, he looked to have some time for himself. He looked to slow down after a long day of work and just disconnect from everything, including me and the kids, and just have some time off. But he could not communicate that, and I could not communicate what I need. So truly think, what are the feelings that's underneath the surface? What do you really hope for, wish for, longing for? What is the desire underneath that? Take down the phone. It's more just like, hey Gal, can you be with me for a moment? Can we connect? Can we spend some time together? When would you be available to be together? Right? That sounds different.
And if you want to learn more about communication, if you want to break the pattern that you have between you and your partner, and you want to really shift into a different type of connection and a more effective communication, this is what we teach in our workshop, Breakthrough to Love.
So join us there and create better communication with your partner.